Once upon a time in a vibrant forest lived two unlikely friends, Leo the lion and Tiny the mouse. Despite their stark differences in size and strength, they shared a unique bond that amazed all the other animals. Leo was fierce and bold, ruling the forest with his mighty roar, while Tiny was small and swift, always finding clever ways to solve problems that Leo's brute force couldn't. One sunny day, as they wandered through the forest, they encountered a deep river. Leo confidently leaped into the water, using his strength to swim across, but the current was too strong even for him. Tiny, on the other hand, noticed a fallen branch and with his quick thinking, fashioned it into a bridge. Their journey continued and they reached a tall tree that blocked their path. Leo, with all his force, tried to push it aside but failed. Tiny, being swift and clever, scurried up the tree and found a hidden path through the branches. Once again they moved on and faced a dark cave. Leo's powerful roar echoed through the cave, but it only caused the bats to scatter and make it even darker. Tiny, small and light, found a crack in the wall and let in a stream of light to guide their way. As night fell and they sat under the stars, Leo and Tiny realized just how perfectly they complemented each other. Strength and intelligence, big and small, bold and swift, opposites that, when combined, created an unbreakable bond. And so, in the heart of the forest, they taught every animal the true meaning of unity through diversity. For it is in embracing our differences that we find our greatest strengths.